Shout out to Miss Ang for being the best math teacher that there is. And math is easy. Just like 1 + 1 = 2.
Hey stats students, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, it is a habit, says that guy Aristotle. And it's now time for our famous game plans, week number 10. I have something scary to tell you. There's only 18 weeks left there's 18 weeks in the semester. So that means you only have what? 8 weeks left of school. We are focusing on 2.2 relationships between two quantities now. Before there was only one, now we have two, and you can graph those, and you can do something called also two. It's kind of weird, there's two sections in the book, so I call this one 2.2a. They're called time plots. Aries has time plots. It shows your grade over time. So you can take a look at that. Students will be able to graph time plots on their lesson. And I got this as our agenda. School hasn't been great. I heard there's other school tutoring in the library. Raise your hand if you heard about that. Okay, I didn't hear about it till yesterday, so I don't really know the details, but it might be like in-person tutoring. And each department might come out with theirs. Campus wear. I think we're having, someone tell me, they're dressed up next week? Kelsey? Yeah? Next week? It's next 2 weeks, yeah?
Yeah.
See, I know. Red ribbon and I think Poco. Alright. Grades. Just because you turn in an assignment doesn't mean I grade it, so go through late work. And if you're doing Google Certificate, you actually might have to submit late work as well. Because you'll start to see a life-changing things. Participation. Khan Academy check is the next one in a couple, let's subtract 17 school day or 17 calendar days. Chapter 1 test if you have not finished it. Our future clubs and detentions. Names are doubled and erased on Friday. How late do I want to stay? Let's say 3 p.m. So make sure you don't have your name on the board. Definitely don't get your name on a Friday, this Friday. Not fun. I have a special opportunity for you to serve detention. I need help looking through all of these keys to help me find one key out of like hundreds. Here's the wonderful Chromebook card they gave me. They are numbered. Look how pretty that is. I learned the strategy that if I take a picture when it's brand new, that's what I expect it to look like every day. When, class?
Every day.
Look how nice that looks. Alright, our central question is, how do you graph time plots? Here are my lessons. I have lesson 2.2, homework 2.2. If you haven't finished the test, it's going to close on Wednesday. That should not say class discussion on a Thursday. Then lesson 2.2a, time plots, and homework 2.2a. Okay, I changed my assignments page. Red light, yellow light, green light, and then T is for traditional, and GC is for Google Certificates. So if you're doing the traditional, this is going to be due next Friday, right? Because we're going to have a quiz that day. If you are taking Google Certificate, you have something due, which I'm going to call in week number 12. Point 4 is our assignments. You have 2 parts you need to turn in. You need to turn in, you need to finish at least module 1, which is 5 weeks worth of work, and the learning logs. It's kind of fun when I talk to other teachers because they give me other ideas. They're like, oh, Mr. Ng, you should start making them take screenshots of the forms that you're supposed to upload to. I said, that's a great idea. They could start doing that. What do you guys say? Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. So, here's what you need to do for the Google Certificate. I'm having a running log. I shouldn't say log, like, I already told you about that box. So let's think about that. This is pretty much due in 17 days. I don't know about you, I just finished week 1. So I have 4 more weeks to do in 17 days. So let's just say that's 15 hours in 17 days. I have a lot to do. I know some of you, I read your mouths when you're talking to each other. You said, oh, something, right? Because you're like, oh, this is not a game. Like, I actually have to do the work. Remember, if I showed you guys before, I'm probably going to make you guys turn in something on eCadence, and it'll have a spot to turn in your logs. I'll probably say like 5 weeks worth of logs. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. And then week 1, you can skip the diagnostic test. We're not going to do that. And that's all I have for you guys today. You know, it's not doing something one time and you did an excellent job. If you keep doing excellent jobs over and over again, that's called excellence.
24 hours in a day, and I get to do math, hey hooray. Y equals mx plus b with Mr. Ng, we're making history. Pythagoras, Euclid, and Gauss, learn the math and you'll become the boss.